Guys, you need to know what I'm about to say. My favorite Subaru of all time is the Crosstrek. Let me tell you why. The Crosstrek is perfect for everyday city driving. As you can see, it's small and compact, but when you're driving, it's the feel of an SUV. And it comes with roof racks, so you can put all your stuff accessible on top. And right now, it's sizzling hot, so sizzling red. Let's look at the trunk space. Whoa, lots of space. And on top of that, premiums also come with the first aid kit. Cool, right? And it's perfect size for shorties like me. All right, guys, so let's take a look at the inside. Alrighty, so we have a moonroof up top, and on top of that, we have our 16-inch multimedia screen, equipped also with a wireless charger. Pretty cool. You have your heated seats buttons right here, and of course, we all know in the winter we need that. And not to mention, Subaru did a really good job with their cruise control and their multimedia buttons on the beautiful steering wheel. And let's not forget the spacious back row. And let me show you something else. An easy button to put your seats down. Wondering about the plastic? Here we keep it on, so when you get your new car, you can unwrap it like a present. So are you interested in a Crosstrek? Come over to Lynnes Subaru and ask for me, Olga, and let's go on a test drive.